So I wanted to show you there's actually 3 different ways you can enter your room. So you can use your phone, you can use your Magic Band, or you can use what's called a Key to the World card. So the Magic Band is going to be phased out relatively soon, so you're going to see that it's used for less and less now, and the price actually hasn't gone down on them either. They're still about $15 to $30 or even $40. So if you don't want to spend the money on a Magic Band, you can obtain a Key to the World card for free once you check into the hotel. And if you don't want to do that, you can also use your mobile device. So let's start with the mobile device. So when you open the My Disney Experience app, one of the features you'll have once you check into your hotel is Unlock Door. So I'm just going to press that. I get to this screen, and then I just hold my phone up to the door, and there you go, it unlocks. Now, of course, we had the Magic Band. If you're familiar with that, this works the same way. You just hold that. The Magic Band, as you can see, works a little bit faster, so it unlocks the door. And then the Key to the World card, which has the exact same technology as a Magic Band, also unlocks the door. So Disney's going to start moving more towards mobile devices, and we're going to see less and less of things like Magic Bands and Key to the World cards. We've already seen some of the technology where you don't even need to have your Magic Band to enter the theme park. It's already part of your My Disney Experience app. In most cases, you don't even have to open the app. You just tap your phone at the entrance to the park. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can visit my website at saveatwdw.com.